Watch these two guys fight. They're trying to take each other off the road. He's not passing them right now. But wait for it. They got me slowed right the hell down. I'm scared to go back over either lane because here we go. See? Watch. See? Watch it. See? Watch them. See? Now he's going to cut them off again. See, this is going on constantly. They've been doing this since Kitchener and almost killed a bunch of people already. They're just fighting with each other. And this is kind of bullshit on the highway. But I'm going to try to pass one more time. Nope, I am not going to pass. He's looking over. This is bullshit.